So, making friends isn't the easiest thing for everybody. For some people, they are very extroverted, which means that they like to talk with people, they are very social, they like to start conversations. Meanwhile, some other people, they might be a little bit more introverted, which of course means that they might want to spend more time alone, or they like to hang out with people, but not so many people because it might feel overwhelming or it's too much, and some people just don't like that. In my case, I'm somebody who's a little bit more of an ambivert. So what that means is that I can start by being very social with people, or there are days where I'm really social, and there are days that I'm not so social, or I just want to relax by myself. So it all depends. But how to make friends? So I think when we are kids, if we're playing at a party or in a playground or something, we don't care about anything and we can just walk up to somebody and be like, "Hi, my name is so and so. Nice to meet you. Do you want to play?" And so we don't have any kind of guilt or feel embarrassed by meeting somebody new. And I think that is something that we should bring back in some way. Not only for people that are young, but also as adults. We can find ourselves in places where we can just meet people and just vibe with one another, which just means see if we can like each other, have a good time. That's basically what I mean. And the best ways to vibe with people would be to, be in places that we like, right? So, for example, if your hobby or something you like doing is playing a sport, then you are most likely to find somebody, a friend or someone that also likes the sport. If you go to a field, a sporting center, a sporting event, those are all places where you can make friends. But you might be thinking, I'm more of somebody that likes to be online. I don't really go outside. I don't get the chance to, or I'm really busy. That's okay. In that case, what do you like to do online? You're for sure going to meet people there. So whether you play video games, you like listening to music, you like interacting with others in any kind of way, you could find potentially people that you get along with. And so that's the best way you can find friends, But I will give the warning that just because you're looking for somebody online does not mean that they are automatically your friend. No. You don't know the person because you're not seeing them, face to face. And even if you do see them face to face, like this, that doesn't mean that you will know everything about them. So be a little bit more realistic with yourself, or basically, don't put your ideas, expectations too high. Okay? So, when you hear those English textbooks that are like, hello, my name is Sally, how are you doing? And then the other person is like, I'm doing great. So, what hobby do you like to do? Or something like that. It might sound a little bit too robotic. So, maybe just be like, hey, my name is blah blah blah. What do you like to do? Or I like to do this. What about you? Something like that. You don't need to say, can you tell me what your hobby is? No. No need to do that. Just have a normal conversation. And if you are a beginner in English, it's okay. You slowly will get the vocabulary so you can do that. So, no worries. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Shout out to the person who recommended this topic. You know who you are. And if you have any other topics you would want me to talk about in English, simple English, let me know. So yeah. See you. Have a good one.